Well, today I really got a top-notch product to show you. This is a battery-powered fuel transfer pump by Sky JDM. Woo! This is great. So let me just show you what's included here. Oh, here's a little case too for the pump. And what's great is this will transfer gasoline, diesel, kerosene, and I love using it for just moving gas between cans or to different vehicles. Now, there's several different caps, and it's that these you could use on this part here. This is the one that was included or attached to the pump, probably the most commonly used. So what we could do here, this requires 4 AA's. With 4 AA's, it will pump 50 5-gallon jugs of fuel. It will pump with just 2 batteries, then it cuts it in half. We're talking 25 5-gallon. Another option is you could connect a USB cable to it, and that's another option. But batteries just go right here, and so this is the one that's going to go to our source tank. So, and we're just going to put that on, screw on the cap. Make sure that's tight. And then this one here was great. It has make sure that you remove the cap here, black cap. And then this just clips on into the tank that we're going to fill. And once the fuel gets up to the tip, it has an automatic shut off. But I would highly recommend that you stick around and watch it happen. So all you do, folks, hit the on button, and you'll see it is transferring fuel right now. And then I simply just press the off, and you'll see the fuel go between the 2 lines. So what a great way. You never have to touch the fuel. And like I mentioned, you could use this for gas, diesel fuel, kerosene, and just as simple as pressing the on button and look at the fuel go. And it's almost silent too. All right, that is good enough. And like I mentioned, it does have a little carrying bag. Has a nice set of directions as well, which will kind of go through what I just went through here. But what a great pump to have, and what a safe way to transfer fuel. So thumbs up on this one.